In this video, you will know all about the scariest ride of Wonderla Bangalore and my experience. You can see the change in my reaction when he said he has sprained his neck. By the way, it is already 2 days, but still he has not recovered from the sprain. It was not lethal injury, but definitely not safe when we think of a ride. A ride should be safe and not cause injuries. Coming to the ride itself, this recoil ride has only one lock that just locks on stomach and your whole upper body is free. This gives you a very scary feeling for sure, but when the ride goes up and stops, your entire weight is on that one bar, which is not safe either. You just have to hang on to that one little bar. If you are tall like my husband, your upper body will be longer and hence more chances of getting neck injuries. Do not leave your neck freely, hold yourself in one position. See, you may or may not have issues, but I'm just suggesting my opinion. So be careful and be safe during such rides. If you really think you can't, then please don't go. You don't have to prove anyone that you are daring and dashing by doing such rides. If your partner does not want to go, please don't push them either. It is all fun until it is not. So safety first always. I hope you got good information from this video. If you have liked the video, then do hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.